Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Today we are going to talk about the Cardano, the major altcoin, one of the majors, Cardano ADA, and the reason BTC just break out and made all-time high, touching the 68,000, almost. Let me draw the level here. Just let me show you here. Okay, this is the all-time high. 68,524 is the all-time high, and Cardano along with that major altcoins are also pumping. If we take a look at here, big week sees Ether, Cardano and Solana lead altcoin charge. And if we take a look on the coin market cap, if we take a look with the volume, the volume is $6.7 billion. That is amazing, with 76 billion market cap, and the price went up 13% over the last 24 hours. And if we take a look at the events, Agri 2021 convention is coming with Cardano and 5 other altcoins, and also on 30 November Cardano another event is coming. So both these events are coming up. Okay, and that is why the number could be a bullish move for the Cardano and other altcoins as well. So what is the scenario currently? 207% volume up. Okay, 74% supply is in circulation. And if we take a look at the BSC scan, let's head over to BSC scan and try and find out how many holders. Okay, this wallet is currently holding 4% supply of Cardano. Okay, other than that 1%, and with that 0.5 and all that things. Now let's head over to tradingview.com, try to find out the levels here. This is the daily chart. Okay, and I have drawn these levels way before. Okay, and previously I've drawn these levels to be the resistance level. You can see it made the all-time high back on, let me show you here. Okay, it made the all-time high back in 2nd of September 2021, and after that the price just after touching the all-time high due to the low volume, maybe let me check. Yeah, you can see clearly. Just take a look at the volume. Let me delete this arrow and take a look with the help of the volumes. When the price went up, okay, made the all-time high, the volume was very low if we compare it with these two. Okay, but when the price made the all-time here, the volume was high. From here the volume started to decrease, so it was an indication that the momentum has decreased. So this was a volume bearish momentum here. The price was moving up but the volume was moving down, so you can clearly watch out the scenario. And after that we saw a huge dump, and the price you can see, let me show you one more thing. I have told you numerous time that breakout areas, this was a breakout candle and there was a gap in here which was filled. Okay, which was filled here. Okay, and after that we saw a retest of the swing high which was rejected, and then we saw another pullback towards the two area. So $2 is an amazing support for the Cardano, long-term support for the Cardano. You can see clearly we have been rejected one here, twice, 3 times here, and then previously it also made accumulation. That's a good thing. You can see this was a distribution or a ranging market. Okay, but that is clearly an indication of accumulation, an accumulation zone. And the price went down on 27th of October. Okay, from that was 2.1 to almost touching the previous resistance. You can see this is called the spy entry. Let me show you here. Okay, you can see here previously it tested the Fibonacci level of 38% and it got rejection. And if we talk about the 61%, guys, so many times I've told you 61.8 Fibonacci level is an amazing number, and you can clearly see 1 2 3 okay, 4 5 6 7 okay, as a support. This was tested as a support, then it was acted as a resistance, then again as a resistance, again as a resistance, again as a resistance, and this is the maybe 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, fifth time this it is acting as a resistance. So 2.3 is a major area. It has to break above, it has to close above, and as you can see the Bitcoin has made the all-time high. So definitely due to the large volume coming up, 260 200, more than 200% volume coming up, so definitely it's a breakout candle, and we might gonna break above, we might gonna close above 2.3, and yeah, we might going to see a pullback maybe here. Okay, you can see previously, you can see if it just let me turn on these, let me turn on this one and make it black, just to let me show you here. So we might going to see a pullback maybe towards this area, okay, because previously this has been an area of support. So we might going to see this area 2.1 to be our support level, and from here previously the support area or support zone was inside here. Okay, this was our zone, let me show you here, this was our ranging accumulation zone from 2 to 1.8. now it has to shift above somewhere here, okay, in between 2.3 to 2.1. From here we might going to expect a pullback, and then from there we might going to see all time high or maybe the next level of 2.4. and this is a daily chart, guys. Okay, this is a daily chart of the Cardano, and these are the take profit levels. And if you hold it for the long term, guys, Cardano has been one of the best performance, and recently we saw hard fork from the Cardano, and many swaps are coming up in the future. So definitely Cardano has a bright future. If you're holding it, better you can hold it for the long term. This is a long term project, guys. Okay, this is a long term project. It has a huge volume and it has huge fan following and all that stuff, and one of the major altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. So if you're holding it for day trading, then these are the levels. 2.1 as our support level, okay, 2.3 right now acting as a resistance, 2.4 would be our next take profit, 2.685 would be our take profit 2, okay, and after that we might going to hit the all-time high, maybe 2.9 and 3 point. So these are the take profit areas which you can target. Support, take resistance, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and take profit 4, TP1 to 1 to 4, okay. And on the downside we have 2.1 as a resistance level. If I turn on, before I sign off from this video, if I show you the support on the 4-hour chart, clearly the same area been tested multiple times here, okay. So 2.1, definitely 2.1 is a good area, but here you can see 4-hour candle and this long wick candle. You can see a lot of sellers trying to push the price down, but from downside buyers are also pushing the price up. So this candle may be an indication that might be the momentum is going to stop, because here you can see here sellers were not that in power. After that we saw a huge amount of selling here, and now again a huge selling. So you can clearly see from the last 3 candles from here, low selling power, high selling power, and highest selling power in here. So a pullback maybe it will come down to 2.173. so that is the current scenario of the Cardano. And that's it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching. This was the price prediction video of Cardano ADA. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.